Hi guys, welcome to Mpofu Daily Revision. Today our question is solve the following. A minus B equals 5, AB equal to 6. Right, what I like about this question is they didn't indicate what kind of equation it is. This is a simultaneous equation. Why? Because we have got two unknowns. We are going to find the value of A and also the value of B. So automatically it's a simultaneous equation. And also we've got two equations. So I'm going to use the substitution method. Remember, as I always tell you, that each and every mathematical question can be proved. After we get our values, I'm going to substitute the solutions. And then the right hand side must be equal to the left hand side. As I told you, an equation is a statement of equality which shows that the right hand side is equal to the left hand side. Okay, so here I can name this equation 1 and this equation 2 like this. Then I'm going to make the substitute formula on equation 1. Then I will substitute on equation 2 like this. Right, so what you have to take note of is when you are substituting, you have to make sure that if you make the substitute formula on the other equation, you substitute on the other equation. Yes. Now it's gonna be equal to 6, 5b plus b squared equal to 6, which is the same as b squared plus 5b minus 6 equal to 0, like this. Still, we still have to find the value, the numerical value of b. Right, so now we are going to factorize. It's gonna be b plus 6 b minus 1 equal to 0. This means b is equal to negative 6 or 1. These are the values of b. Now, we need to have the values of a as well. So how can we get values of a? We just substitute. If we substitute this negative 6 and we put it there, it's gonna be positive 6. Right. When it's positive 6, when it goes the other side, it means a will be equal to negative 1 if b is negative 6. Okay, let me show you how we're getting these values. Right. It's just as simple and straightforward. This is a topic of simultaneous equations. So if you are not understanding it, it means you must revise topic of simultaneous equations. So a minus 6 equal to 5 is going to be a plus 6 equal to 5. Then it will be a is equal to 5 minus 6. A equal to negative 1. That's how we get our value negative 1 here. So it means a is negative 1 when b is negative 6. Now let's find the other value of a. When b is 1, a is 6. So a is 1 or 6. Okay, let me show you again how we get the value. We are just substituting here. We are just substituting a when b is 1. So a minus 1 equal to 5. Then, as I always tell you, or as I taught you on lesson 5, change sign. So a is equal to 5 plus 1, a equal to 6. That is the value of a. So it means this implies that, let me write it on top here, a is equal to negative 1 when b equal to negative 6. A equal to six when b is equal to 1. Now, what we are going to do is, as I told you, that each and every mathematical question can be proved, especially if it's an equation. Why? Because an equation is a statement of equality which shows that the right hand side is equal to the left hand side. So if we take these values and substitute on our equations, we must get the right hand side equal to the left hand side. Let's do that. So when A is -1, it means we're having -1. B is what? B is -6. -1, -6 must be equal to 5, like this. This will give us a positive sign. So -1 plus 6 must be equal to 5. 5 is equal to 5. Proved. It means it's 100% correct. Now, let us take the other values and substitute them on equation 1 as well. Right? What are the other values? A is equals to 6 when B equal to 1. So 6 minus 1 is equals to 5. 5 is equals to 5. Proved. It means it's 100% correct. Now, we have to substitute again on our equation 2. The right hand side must be equal to the left hand side as well. Right. Let's do that. So, we are using these values now. Okay, let's start with the first ones. -1 times -6. Remember, AB, it means A times B. Must be equal to 6. -1 times -6, it's 6. So 6 is equal to 6. Proved. So it means 100% correct. Let's try the second values. We must get right hand side equal to the left hand side as well. Remember, proving, you are just making sure that you are correct, but normally there are no marks for proofs. If they just find you to find the value of A and B, or of X and Y, you just have to find your values. Now, we are going to substitute the second ones. A is 6, B 1 must be equal to 6. 6 times 1, it's 6. 6 is equals to 6. Proved again. So it means both answers are 100% correct. I hope that, guys, you benefited from this revision, sample of Maths Daily Revision. Don't forget to subscribe for more revisions. I take these revisions from past examination questions or past examination papers. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. If you benefited, if you like the video, thumbs up. Share it to your friends. Tell anyone that you know that is struggling with mathematics. Don't forget to subscribe. Again, stay focused.